sensia na yɛtwetwe nkɔmmɔ no pii na yɛdi MTN nkɔmmɔ yɛmfansi na wɔse yɛtwa yɛ ho ba na agudiefoɔ no bɛtoa so asante ɛboa
ɔman
me masɛm a mebusa ne sɛ BBSC sɛ ɛwɔ sɛ MTN omo etoto omo data mu to that extent omo increase omo prices to that extent because minim say dollar omo niema omo raw materials na niema omo di dwuma dodo na dollar. The dollar has been stable for the past 6 months. Aban no etie niema mu no ya hwehwe aban no budget or the buy for next year. Mi hura die wo mu a se fiber optic na aban na increase no se talk tax na aban na increase no e-levy aban na ntu. So what has necessitated the increment? What has necessitated the increment? Because to be frank, unim ya uka sembi, and it's so true say yempani for wa memu ha ho. The here and here omo. Because obi on ma member of parliament, minister, sa de ya tutumu no obakto enha no. But it will be or no sa one city crowd the two data so our hand. One, or many ways. Member name rantie bebre gufie nya adwuma nye. The only option is say be or one na when your data no akọ TikTok, akọ Instagram. Ghana force ye ho osre. E den na obenya bibia asre te e release tension. Say TikTok ni Instagram ni sa niema na amaka nipa kunkum nipa. Oh, there is tension in the atmosphere. Now data kakra so nipa de be yi obu okra the running the business. Obu onuma internet surfing the web and other things. Now you can't buy. How? And I mean kwa na me hu ni sa. Why the increment? And MTN has not given us any explanation. That to me is making reasonable for me to understand. Say, Omudi, Omakaya Wanomo, electricity company 40 me tariff increment koto PRC and Nimna crying in essay, wait dear, Omudi. I buy to me increase be crying, and you're gonna focus and say I'm buying for road tax. Road tax. Roto, say it to her. As the Ghanaians are even calling, say you're crying portals to crack a Kayentim town or buying in some from Ryan calling for. But this is not reasonable for me. Maybe I am wrong. As Auntie Mamitiano pay. Baba Munche, maybe I'm one to now. Yet, Musuma, Yabiana, Yan Ninchim, but my boy.
On my yen, soon for MTN for more recent increases on the Abba. MTN there on my name is Tatinamic. You need to say you who's MTN for the entire call on offer and a normally Jessica and no other than chain. You see, data bim. Data na banusika, Omunye film say, will be to a dear data no day I yen in Yama P won't an abe for Quano so no than chain. And send MTN for as I have the talk time and I say, when he say, Mumu no so the Abba. And now you who say, Mumu for you cry on my Omusu say. Omoye transaction bia 10 cities bia na omonya 40 pesos. And also MTN for efa de aka nyina.
Ya na isi ento omo transaction. Me te say ya. Omo na ya di komo se
transaction no.
1,000 pen on betima.
We have one. That the obey bia no bia toto sa 1,000 na obetimi yi. Wo peso yi bro so a. We 1,000 bia e bejo sand that we be 1,010 a e wodo bejo because we 10,000 bo ma wonya free so. Ni nyina ye nema but oman MTN for IGC kaka miensan you talk time or J in fact say auto normal call ke do J we ye data so auto or J and say na momo or J say na ma miensan we nyina MTN for G nyina hu sika nyina or J and so why G we nyina echi no o man and can say the same platform no create here na for adi we nyina bo the same platform no create here na this sika we nyina ba boom and so no ade echi nya wo so tum MTN
what manner of supernormal profit or more pay?
Ye won penifo pi wo MTN ho oman sa simisi ya ba ye one Mr. Samuel Cranton bi wona BBC ba corporate service okasa me cry yeke my friend and phone edum you want penifo be from nyina om no
so omonim de omai
ada omo pe no oman ada omo pe
no omai issues
no omo kasa ada MTN pe no nye ada wo pe se won kasa no ada ono pe se ne de me feel say me kasa no kwa no be ye
omai issues statement
afre wura ha no afra we NFM kakra ebosi ya afrem ade a wo som yen na oman wenya yesu nyina ye se na ye wo bi o na ye wo bi
na ye will be
no
and I answer you ye ton 60%
Ghana Telecom
and as see akra de ya sa ton ni nyina
and nanu ya ye mehu say yes 30 go so kwa ye say ye kwa pa e wa kwaji na rehu sem say 30 go ni Vodafone nyina we nya mu ntu mu de mu enso Ghana for
yes
conservativeness me de me number de me say sa no me number sa na kwakosi na omo say here na Ghana for yeah say okay
can no pay Ghana for nyina you see something happened Yaw Nigerian for the bufuo call all the embassies US and America Britain say what they say me be visa now see visa no o fa mamea udumi nye me visa fee into order so now the US and the British embassy in Nigeria what they have done is say they have increased service charge like operational charges but say me visa fee Nigeria ni udumi nye visa fee what they one fa visa na mana fa operational cost no fa but the visa fee de na de be man Ghana we have become toothless bulldogs we only back we don't bite into a beer fireful ubo Chinese company no afa Ghana for no de o masi ho no aye de o mo pe na Ghana police ni bo ma ko che Ghana ni a protect no ye decide we DSA anti we Ghana ni a the worth of a Ghanaian because let one American won't touch my Ghana ha ne hwe de besie ma obi wo another country they won't touch ma look at how America and UK will come for their own but yet I say oh yeah no almost say patriotism
hospitality
you call for patriotism and me and me woman mu hano
me de me nya
no
patriotism
mama me hu to me say I feel proud say me a Ghanaian you think patriotism is just one way it's hand in hand. The American citizen now, no, officer he would die for his nation. No, he knows what America does for him. It's penny for me. We say, Honorable Oslawusu say to the MTA on a regulatory omo. Tell Kosofono.
Uncle cop meeting be there.
Tell Kosofono. Sa cop meeting no. Edu maybe omo to me the documents be to obo him na nya no kre.
Let me say
Entina me person ye careful no. Because me who list over 100 and something Ghanaians na Eco Cop meeting. Omo na Eco page ozone layer na siwana. Oh, never be on my one year careful. No ba be two job we ase no. That is why I want to authenticate it well pa. But they hear ya no pay and your cop meeting. E hear and say yaw. Mitimi to data 399. Na minya 183 gig. Say see am to 350. Your mama 92. Ya did 91 gig free so. Only the 91 gig business e bet my mama. And only asma ya ka. Ya wade. Ya mama mrawot.
Ghana na ne wa na beba no pay. Ghana no a baby ya ba begina no. Baby ya ba begina say the Ghanaian hospitality ene de ndie. Eno na ma your friends say kromani ni wo ho nya asemu a na police ni ne Ghana mra no ejina wo ho achi wa bra na kromani ebi kura no odibem sa na ya hyehye Ghana no e na kota Ghana no ye say ye hiafo ye tetew frifie nyina kwaku wanim ni wachi ni bio
akasa no ye ma me no bebra amoaye
that is how I dey atete
ya ma amoaye
it's young man ni young lady na o si so no ye dey
atu our poverty mentality
no dey na wanim ni wachi obi ni ho and ono akra no say on France ni tirimu a growing up from a fear wo free mu no onim se oni hwe wo ho eti wo ko je na gigigigi na asamba onya kama
word be na wa hu sa akasa no me frantuma gufuni
me pepi pragro
sa akasa we nyina e defeat
buo ni
ya bebuo nyina bu ya be
eti that is how Ghanaian no ye dey atete yen ye dey and you can't blame the Ghanaian or when the left and when the right and when the nim when the chi na say susuampa oni bia obeso no wa pani ba bi atena akota ye ka America asemi ye wo akwala to America oman no nim ni oman na ya ma no nti na bia o defend oman no akwala ya wo no to Ghana se nyame na be kire a Ghana na ye de ne ma na o se omekoma Ghana no
legends
nyame eti se
ni ba kire ye nie
odiniti pimpimua na se adom bi dom no
no nya ba bi sia o se Ghana
na ye de but America no ya build a system ne ma me ne papa ntia se kro betima ko school to any limiter ope but Ghana ye nyame be kire se de free SHS aba dware na se wo ko free SHS na ko se obekodi free a enya ne de prospectus ama no prospectus no de na e kwa akoto nyame be kire nti se nya odom bi wasate aba wo tere
na aba
se nya odom bi na be dom wa e do be kwa akota eti corona no eja bende
right
na rehye nyame na
ma me kwa ho ma no so na mene Don Diok Penka, former Deputy Attorney General, a lawyer of repute. Lawyer, me mo channel pay. I'm saying just
me do there every time. Want me mention me there.
I can't say.
Oh, yeah, madam for power now. Anytime, so mention me there. Oh, butcher, do you need to say?
I can't say. The last hour.
Me full name is Joseph Dindiok Pemka, former deputy AG.
Joseph Dindiok. Oh, what's that Dindiok?
To Parliament.
Dindiok, they send me chai. Anyway,
lawyer, correct.
I na Pemka na me hunuka.
I don't have a problem, no.
I see I'm a hunuka Pemka. I only come away.
I'm not CP.
I tell for Joso. And I know Office of the Special Prosecutor. Ebe Kasai, Abra Kwanya, or see, or you're frustrating in war. The judiciary need lawyer for a judge for the hasty nature of the case me adinina. And they depends ya was say what the omun for nina ba yati omo alleged vote buying. And to no be prosecute omo. Padaruma sa emre assembly say it's a special prosecutor the copy court. Is it so easy to prosecute such people for corruption? Any corruption-related offenses on public elections like this?
You see, sometimes we a prosecutor and I open say uko court obedin kunima and I open your judgment in your favor. It's a very, very, very careful because me a former prosecutor as far as Attorney General Office are concerned. Say the case bar now who use the say emotions. A prosecution now take it time over lose case no ever court. Because this year no say only investigations ni year now ukochi obi echo office investigation so be prosecuting no for bribery. So udru na okache say sika wohu no sika na omudima me say me fa transport abrabe ye vote ana minji akodi lunch na ba ye vote no sadie no obeti me kache say bribe. You see, first of all no remember say bribery and corruption or bribery no both sides enye one side. So open prosecute here obe prosecute the Oma bribe no. Now we are prosecuted the OG bribe no. Omuni na aye corrupt.
Okay.
So bribery and corruption nye say the old man nkwana ye corrupt. Omuni na mienu no nyina aye corrupt. Ana omuni mienu nyina aye guilty of bribery.
Okay.
The Oma no na the original nyina omuni guilty of bribery. So person on prosecution na. Omati me call arrest. But after arrest, no, who taking a statement and I'll catch you say no correct Majisica, but scan or mammy say, Minkoko Toby Biadi, and Mimkoko a year for transport about voting center ever voting. o catch you sir obetimi catch say bribe so bribe no the law phrase actus reus and any intent.
Okay.
Intent no say time or this sika no ma no or per se on use sika no influence you na ma on ye the emfa coin say obeye without sika no.
Okay.
So that's this issue of bribery. So special prosecutor me be pan Chelsea on Russia say who Russia o the court judges be dismiss it and obesa be blame mo say they are dismissing your cases. Dismissal no, it is on the basis of law. Say, omu dismiss case or high court na enyo there. What do we call court of appeal? From there, enyo there. What do we call Supreme Court? But the man who says no, or appeal to emotions, any public sentiments, is frustration in that office. But remember, say, what the case called court, and one family and one charge omu year. Sometimes even guilty persons can escape because ultimate prosecute the case ni.
Okay.
Either because of witness and technical grounds. So my advice to Office of Special Prosecutor and say they should hasten slowly. Because any picture you see, ultimate conclude effectively say a bribe until investigations have been established. And either somebody says no correct magic bribe and mama bribe. That is if the person admits.
Honorable, let me come in here. In this case, some me special prosecutor the minfoni ne abetua bonten. Actual wanted persons. The following persons are wanted by the Office of Special for corruption and corruption related offenses in respect of public elections, especially vote buying. Can I sue the special prosecutor if it is found out say the audit told me so as I the minfoni naturally we are say now. Yeah, the minfon naturally we have to say may corrupt. Is it not one defamation? Is it not demeaning to me? Because on your investigation be by virtue of the fact that when you who baby and I would I conclude say may corrupt and I would wanted as I told me so. A quite be so no minfon net down what gumani mo ase ana
me pacho and your canoe a law. Enokre say who charge obi and now publish obi din as nipa no criminal and later on it is established that onye criminal and no case against the person what you may sue for defamation because this haste to publish people's pictures and other things no and you're correct because sometimes no who publishes idea no without conclusive determination actually obetimi realize say the and it will defend the person or it will destroy the person's character general public no so I think say they could have put in place a mechanism obetimi investigations undercover and discover nipa no omo ifa so that they will invite them to the office of the special prosecutor for investigation but hastily publishing it everything resulting into defamation and situation who say obedient and as idea no the office can be in big trouble so the message friend say office of special prosecutor is a very good office but everything we have to proceed cautiously and be in accord with the constitution and other statutory provisions so that Ochina and now Ochinachi will not be saddled with judgment debts as a result of defamation suits brought against individuals at the Office of Special Prosecutor.
Honorable then the Okmeda Asiano pay.
Okay. Now, I don't know one will see me good because my didn't couldn't primaries on Saturday. Now,
my brother. Congratulations.
My winning primaries, I want to catch you.
Congratulations. You are coming back to Parliament. I wish you all the best in 2024 elections. I'm calling it. But Amadou Kwa or Adea or smart. Also, I'm calling enough.
Yeah, Nana Amadou Kwa.
I was smart. With Diagros Arsen Kone, boys are very copri or Gobe Punaman and his web period.
Bakutasa lady not to say address for encore elections in Lusuda.
Aye.
No election, and Nana Amadou Kwa ni address for be call Beluso, I just Omonko. The same thing address of be we need Domeko Binya.
Oh, I just for dear.
Nane Papa Ntiase.
Adjust for home. Domi Kwabenya, tread cautiously. Why near maybe enye. But okuta almost 40% of Christo Asafu for Christo Asafu. Ne papa sorry no. Sam Crawford. Uko Tantra Hill Domi Kwabenya potemwa. I know Ghana no.
Ghana bato na ojo.
Ghana bato me sing country. As I tell boy, Ghana bato upo umpo yeto na many. Utimi nyi free mu da. Odi opa. Obi ohonoma, MPB ohonoma. Me nipa nyina nkasa wasa. The ethnic tribe na eye majority nti oba win elections da. Ye dede wa radio su keke o. Obi ti say ama ayi. Ama say.
Wa kolusu.
Ama say. Da be me kan yi mami. De o didie kokko deputy minister.
Ai abna ose asare.
Abna ose asare.
Etiwa
potem ho.
Etiwa east.
Odi fon cancer didie kokko for no. Almost about 60%.
Yes.
When you are brasari jina obebitu.
No independent class win.
Independent or besa win. You see what it tells you they say Ghana about and our office in Ashanti region. Who MPB, Obi himself MPB wasa. But ukwa the native there in Nkrofo. Obi to say branch here or Jacob. I was in Jemfi. We did not 10 times over winning Jacobu because our certain tribe, a certain group of Dosso, our link with the settlers, and our link with natives. It's a question Jemfi no jina. Hodoma. We are lawyer, we are medical doctor, we are wine. This is a question Jemfi so uncle. What did I mention? Your constituency be Hodoma, Uchumu time. The growth on the Dosso. Now we say Bruno, any Bruno, half on the Bruno East. Kona Kosha, Baumia Yere, the impact in 2020 elections. Our Bruno East war. MPP we name me boy. Why have if you say MPP or no full and if for no go settlers nam gusa line or so. One bet twama Baumia Yere.
Oh my bad, Papa.
Two time Belusu.
Papa, you see Diok.
I didn't Diok.
And that's more time is or the Futukesi Palma special prosecution.
Yes.
Me who pictures na never comes and say me weekend the pan of the betu jadi and pictures nisa and the two. Nipa bi amuji pictures by nipa bi so this kind man sanko for.
Why do you
why now we
do be picture koto
so selected say
why bribe na what friend na wama
my
me would me phone you to say I'm a sue my lawyer satro immediately
nipa na oji sika no
obi na no betra radio so now we say
the man
no wasem kwa na abo
the man no wa himfa do this kind of man
woni ho
sa bonus aspirants nya ya nyu bia ntwe picture any bia nya no
so we no wani mo hare
very good
Ghana no
wani mo ha se bi omu ni bi oba kokra no constituency executive omo james san ko fon picture ma we se bi common delegate bi okoto na ba no ko nimpo nya beto special prosecutor here on my na dwumadie no so but sometimes say ya na ne evidence no ya na is too scratchy say we obo a little bit down no nya more evidence bi de ba anya say here obredical na say ya man for grow no ho wo
corruption cases e wo Ghana pa nti de hiane we ya bo amabo ame nti sema wo Ghana pa say corruption you see special prosecutors na near bripiska ma Ghana 20 Ghana ni 200 Ghana edima obi no okoche no o kai brebi dwaben ye DC and be of the periphery one more mu di esika no wo ho one go hwe wo no nyai semu na wo di no
akuta the office in a friend is a special prosecutor your offices any state department we are these prosecutions here we be your CID ho your national security ho no mo investigations near there your bureau of national investigation your a friend say attorney general state yoko near there akuta no special prosecutor there na yede ma wo no obeto this department ne agencies we nyina omo ewo ho no mu Adea baako a bisua free Martine Bika medi ho no ye say obaye no o se enye se opepre wo ho de asem na kokoto e wo se wodi kan ye wo investigation mo wo bibi prima facie case to establish we na madanse
me court
yen the game e wo court ye evidence so hu papa we no minimara owo and minim se opese as ye boni din kisi Abia na nko bia akwose dem no bia moade a I don't get the gentleman ne wo church no menti na se ne oye akotare special prosecutor owo other state agencies wo no ma obetima collaborate with them and they are your prosecutions baako national security akonta o say normally national security report na presidency ne other agencies no emfani agro go mu chantro.
Yes,
they come with evidence and then yamaniama de to ho it was special prosecutor ye prosecutions there no can national security agency no enkamum so national security no intimi prosecute let omo men no any investigation ni bi mu a now crowd ye see a chire na busabusa so report we na wanya na se no kra mu a then you take it up now the court. It is Abia, you say to and eco sign contract. And now if you say be something fish more national security for Yoko for Abia a CID for her. Then no former dance here no Nina see any why you be cacao a do into the assembly cocoa and ye business a year cotuaba na Abia video be up to social media no so on what him send anybody Facebook ne social media assembly hopa. That's how I see him.
Now video now you come to worry our ears.
That's it. Now with the
Adea Yaw Ghana
with all seriousness as a special
Kisi Abia no church
get serious.
Kisi Abia what we on akota say yeni abere pass o man o senke ma police for cheno so cause financial loss to this country. But o de ko budget sika ye twa de ama no to run na bro sign ten no team no to run that office. Otama send the call
no abase watching grophobia. Eti Ghana corruption in the ekoso
we ne here.
We guys should stop wasting our years and get serious.
Oh my why na dia adwuma na ma no Nanado adwuma Kisi Abia na niji wansa ninyo ho
Nanado also you be adi
na me da bia me si adwuma o na niji wansa ninyo ho
na niji asante ya ho na o ma pani na ya ma pani no won won ye dio
ti na me ka se na niji enye ho dia obema branch na adwuma to na niji ho nti na wo ye
this branch no resign Ghana Nanado one resign so si wa no
office we
botaya kwa ajima menu
botaya pa
health minister how was the last time who no
be na otwe ni hu no sunyane bono o commission bi hospital bi and this for class babo nti say onye sika.
Oh just say it's like he's lost authority at his own outfit and yet he's there.
O man dem make case say office na ye it has outlived its function. Ne botaya pa
we say ngu no na mfa so bia ni so
na because afin room ba ye mfa budget nko because say adwuma we pa na wa be dia on ye wo other institutions no mo ye dada yin twa so na
say wa ha no say jreba koto aba
it will face his face
and say obe ha na ni o ayi assembly members abato enyina abure o wa ha obo ya tu wie ya assembly members December say
19
what you do we have say special prosecutor so here assembly members
best
now I mean for the voter region enkwanta
mo biska say on vanfa ka meto ba
akwa serious
enkwanta no for south you pictures ni ka esiwo a
yes
flash screens esiwo
a wache omo
ntina me ga
any TV so flash screen any TV so
I be watching that. Mami say somebody.
Mami somebody watching.
I would that be Kisi Abia baby ekeka for no.
Yeah,
my disappointed in him. Kisi Abia. My disappointed in him. Say near I say I send you a because me na me busa me ho say Abia akota man the benefit of the doubt sir boy see pictures you the ababa to bia na why investigations be work that
but dangerous
he's not giving up
me must say me say why do you post my pictures
what did you do
why do you post my pictures on social media across the globe say makoji bribe na I've done a criminal activity and you know also shame. Of what basis?
Nakota, another funny thing of Adea Akye. Who say Adea Akye Abia first na Ghana Police Service for ye be. Yachi am robber sumesi. Nom de ne picture be 12 bontin ye investigate ye pewe achi no. Nom de ne picture keka ho. Na me de picture koto TV so anase o koto social media say opemi achi me a metina baby a me tena say betime. Mo ena police for jai sade no. Enti a good lawyer like Kisi Ajaben, Ghana Police Service for her, womo eye sade we be.
You Ghana Police.
You see this, you see them.
For some would you
big lawyer like Kisi Ajaben, ah, yes, special prosecutor when you are now Empo boys we don't picture about it. Oh, mama hate to say you are investigating them. Inti links and the line maybe abefaso and the upper evidence crowd prosecuting me no. On betima say no.
Na me babusia ni ni a on come play. What dey we nipa we o dey hwe we in the community. Ghana force na ehunu ade a.
Yes.
Before obeka se onye bone no.
Yes.
You crucify na we o.
Konta we that
pictures we. The community out there. Eh wonte anti akuya soba no. Say yes o e kromfo. Yes aban. Onya aban na ma ye penachi no.
Akuta ye ni emphasize na we see. That be boys who mu copy visas was I embassy bi ni ade we are display.
Already I catch yourself criminal records.
Already
wanted by special prosecutor.
Already.
Hey.
And the police for any be omo
say police they will play your face. You put somebody's picture to the world say wakoye Bible elections. Krono anti e wa ban we mu no obeso chese nti obi ama krono a okisi Ajabe ntimi nchesi no ade asem no ka che MPs a omo gi double salary ade no de aye omo ye wa hanu mu na ayi napkofo ye se ye tua omo de enye omo de omo sakan yo ye tua omo double salary ebesi na bi salary omo sa reverse ye tua omo kabio
national service
the same thing to omo. Uti one man just say Murukwano memoir. The position man nipa no did it. How a lawyer of repute like you? Why would you do this? Now me say I buy for bi obebi
oh for so because say juma we dey next year di for that now press for that we nya juma bi so special
enye we ya na sraje for ye no a commission of
human rights omo dey they are not they don't have prosecutorial powers
aguta say ye twa so dey yi me ko jama no for batom pesua so jama no na ba so ai mi ama yonko brebo pa ye frene enoko nyako me kwa na nu se wontimi nwini anope ya no ka jam
say wo nye enoko nyako
o say Onesiaka Steven former MP for the area Onesiaka Steven na ko contest and on current DC no ho no no and na ko contest eti eno ka che me say o contest na say krache na wo akasi fu obetimi no see ya wo de me kwa anope na o ka che me say wo wini eti no nyako German North congratulations pa why are there
madam for be MP
madam for be MP na me so menya address
so ni me Eric
Esnafo
South
Eric Opoku
2004 near UK University no catch him say December be MP na me say for asem o say Alvin
I only know masters
that be that time your first degree crack.
Okay.
You we ya me. Only first person I'm a friend. Because I could 2 MP no. And I'm saying Eric. That time your first degree.
Oh.
Me na me class rep.
Okay.
No the paper bar. Me se menye. Was I don't cry na how much is I me se menye. One for man temti. Bo say maka so on one fan come lecture no papa chow timi di me chia de in this hall was I was over na majisa December 2004 ya to abani wie ya December 7th and ajoba 12 no ha ne o studio na call ba me pick house Now I'm saying, Eric, I say, call me honorable. And I'm saying, honorable says, my God, just a winning.
Wow.
That's it, way. This will be too free.
Just
And from 2004 to date.
That's right.
Eric Opoku is
Eric Opoku.
Hey, Uchu Butai. Now, I want to see us all.
Yes.
And the anoms to the Bia.
Yes.
Eric. And the other one said, but I'm on fire.
Enoch Nyako, congratulations.
Deputy Minister for Tourism.
Aye. Your friends are Marco Krekuman. Boys in the social media say we are your mentor. And about Betrab and Nim say, yeah. But elections, you're good, yo. Krekuman.
That's almost all. My Oga Marcus on Quabrabio. I call within our Sokobia. I call within. On my blacklist, your branches. How are we?
Eddie only any parliament here by you.
Abanga Swawini.
Abanga Zeni. Our what? Abanga. I senior, you don't know. So also be a all right. Who's winning? Abanga.
Is there a parliament to focus any cacao?
That's right.
You're ready.
When the 9th parliament, I said, the only number for a day. Where 8th parliament?
The 9th parliament.
And your 9th parliament, the
but Jefferson Saki saw winning.
Yes, Jefferson.
Parliament, a Jubilee House one, the woman now. They almost got. I'm happy for Kojo from Paul.
Yeah, when she
because when she there with Koyo from Pom, MPP can retain their seats.
But with Onye Juma,
Koyo from Pom or to cheap papa.
Brofono, they know we need no. Brofono, na brofono many anya ho. Ujina wenchi and we win election.
No cabrofo.
Kachi.
Hey, Kwajo.
Kwajo, Mr.
Asadi, you know, yo,
we need a native trace them.
Omanhene Yaw.
Kachi,
Kwajo said the third time running. You are
third time or contest.
Kwajo, Omanhene Yaw, because you will sit to be on my own. Oh, in a pet, you are sure to go.
Yeah.
As I
say, what can they?
May try the way.
Akutawo, Subin, oh, for the crew. What can they?
Over Chrome na Ababa will be Claudia.
Yes, Claudia Lumo.
On Lumo. Someone who me out. Who me oh. Now me carry weight too.
About that, offer chrome needs to be what change.
Offer chrome needs to be. Yeah, beko.
Oh, change.
Yeah, beko.
Obako. About that, co-independent.
Of course,
and a butterfly.
Butterfly.
Co-independent.
Why co-independent? I was there for you to us over the Masi. Mama me be 5 minutes. Na me call ahomano so. And son of a big for no me no watching. Come on. In the next 5 minutes, give me a call about come on. You didn't know your opinion, especially with MTN and then the election that went on. The number is 0551 931 931. Francis Dodoview has so and Kwabena Century so at give me a call. The number is 0551 931 931. Let's hear your opinion on the issue. Hello, good morning.
Good morning.
Biba Choma Inti Wanope.
Yo, Mpacha Femi Jovi Fefi Alaba.
My Casa.
I have some now, Wabeja phone back. Okay, and a phone pen for a moment to phone home. You woman in the episode. MTN, I'm way outside. Just for a moment in the echo. Woman in the echo. Tomorrow, Sompa, when for more than I want to be my wife.
Matty. Hello, good morning.
Morning, Omanhene.
Yes, sir. Why you? Okay, if I say to you, Casa.
What is that? I do with MTN.
DSTV.
DSTV is so quiet over the Ghana for 5 hours.
DSTV.
DSTV. But Omanhene, Oko Nigeria ne Abia, a cheap to the sense of be able to me afford.
Anya no ntina bebre connect your room wa hai.
No. And I'm seeing paying for me to up a money to up me talking fire yeah to no.
Omo pay about so be twam obia DSTV or no abetua na de. We penny abetua DSTV. Hello, good morning.
Good morning, Omai.
Me ba cho hwan ni.
Me ba cho Sakudi me de Odru Jangoba.
Sakudi me ntiu.
Ye Omai kakra me pese me kan say. Me ne mo ya gen papa kisi jaben de enkesenka ye cheno. Agro wona ni so papa. Se fe embe da do nam kan o ti so bi no bi din komoda what it me de dru court. Ye tian man pisa je double salary how much ya tum what ya fe. Fan confuati me menkase me MPP ni obi enum se me MPP ni. Menkase MPP ni bi e bone a ye kwa MPP for the enso sa adin se empane mfamra kwa so. But you say a more equal DJ ma yankafu from easy for a BIG double salary, which I say will be free, will be calling Zada. No money at the any group, bro. And I'm over to pound and to share any more better. One of my years to share any more we when I after coming as your press conference. For what? Press conference now warrior for batteries. Meeting be papa na
hello, good morning.
Omanhene.
Yes, sir.
Akura me mo achi ewura.
Mejo so amu.
Na wapom te say.
Dom fo adom me ho ye.
Yo, ka kire Libya boga say anope ma finsiapa.
Wajo so.
Program na dey aye live to taste pa. E frame audition ba, me do edru nyene number 1. E watchma kwa homa. Lawyer Kofi Amankwa no mpechia so Deputy Defense Minister.
Mami tio.
Yo, Omai no kwasem ni. Menya anka omampanyin na nado. Ansa na ndime di bebe wiye no. Na sa special prosecutor ase no na ko wa break no. E bi ni ya sa kwa di be kai no. Bon, ade bu ho ma enipa bi nya kwanya so mo baba ya. Na ase ato mo ne enhwehwe ni mu ase mo ye showbiz so no mo ara kete na mo be che wo mo mama ntinta na che wo mo ama Ghana fo ya bo ye nsema mama no mo ya na mo ja wo so no mo na kusie bi na mo kwakotu no mirika ko bu mu nam so no enti we wo kusie ja ben ni ama na wo ye no shani it is a special prosecutor ase no so mo bu no na o man sa data sama mo ka no because me ye Yewu, and Timunka be my end, and your money out chrono, and yet.
Hello, good morning.
Hello, good morning.
Yes, my dear.
And let us show me dear for school placement to her. Let us show me natural BC. So now, results near complete. And then soon I'm calling you school. And to say, why I could say, my way and no results near complete, no more your mother.
Nice. Yes,
I sent her 2 times. So now results in a complete placement are by the Chronicle School.
Okay, you ready? Come away. We'll find out from the PRO. Now, then Kwalano School, you say, Omama Omo from now to Friday. A big corner, almost almost tomu extra. Now, my issue is the protocol list is even yet to be released. The protocol list, I'm told, and then the extra protocol list. But I might be a school, nene. Oh, now to Ghana and to the protocol list. Where's the soul? Hello, good morning.
Good morning, Omai.
I am penny actually a bit the beach. Pacho when ye.
Pacho, a family designer, and a catastrophe.
Designer, Bamintiano pay.
I'm Pacho, I was a man born a woman after Basso.
Hey, never credit, I'm Refi and Manaf Ibrahim. Oh,
I am Manaf Ibrahim. I constituent.
Wakoko Day.
I have a 3 bunch.
There be a body man who go to know.
Never laugh from by it. Yes,
Manaf is the game changer.
Only a game changer.
Yes. Mammy Famusi, I'm Francis Aquaba now to say.
Yeah, but you say.
Honorable conversation is way.
Yeah.
Bibi Aboko.
Oh, Dr. Mahmoud Baomi Papa.
All right. The weekend it was butterfly all the way in the skies. And the sky was yellow. And the town was yellow. And near me people mo and agro cry. Na MPP for Sokoto Omaba. Omato Omaba no. Omato orphan constituencies. Young men and a year muti. Omoko prepare. Na omayi omuhu. Na omato abano said ya beya near my besiako. And pay MTN. Oma pija omudetem. Ghana for me break complaining. Now, people are asking why. Don't we have people to talk on our behalf to speak for Ghanaians? DSTV prices. Just I say services that are being given to us by multinationals. Akoye and SMP. Yeah, kind of say. We look at Alan's presence, the impact. How is it going to affect election 2024? Can he make any inroads? Ana Enkusiaga. Then we look at the school placement. Decision now by taking would it be? Francis, Mamisha saying free honor on the data. Who used to be me used to be. Yeah, now come on. The last 10 minutes, I bet cannot yeah the Bema grace gift near no matching community. I shall see in terms of the baby to me.
Well. Yeah, I'm say data same. And your data general economic hardship. On my name wedding. So walk DSTV. Go TV for you to it is because I buy no taxes I'm tempted to believe. So why increasing the taxes now there. And they must also make some marginal profit. Make sure say moye dumoi ena monya faso a entimi ntua o.
Imagine I know as a boo and imagine keke.
Yeah, we'll come there. But what I'm saying is that a general economic hardship and about money. And yeah, data. Now, share Kusia cry, no Kusia back where I said 1 CD 50 pesos. Kusia there 50 pesos no real. Kusia call 1 CD 50 pesos. It's a general economic hardship and a cripple in. Until you are saying become a buy now why Minister for Communication. Or no, and I was I think before 3 weeks ago. I mean, to me, was a radio station here, and I see other one. You have a communication minister. So telcos no services cry beyond the increment. And say more MTO Kasaswa.
It may be exactly.
Kasana ni pakasaka crab 5 minutes. When say
a Jenny phone
corruption. So I was saying, the so communication minister. That's what to me issue directives to those telcos to say you should improve upon yourself. Okay, I said global for we about by 2009. Now Glow was a bit of delay in we giving them lances now there. But I think Harun Idrisu was the communication minister. President Mills my directive to the ministry said we no issue license to Glow
for them to operate.
Exactly. But one who Oslo Usu, I say and can ask him. Why Akufo-Addo darling girl, Tian can ask him. So we a minister now. What Diano or my whim. Now say telco be services and your correct. Yaw. A woman was a ultimate Ekasama Ghana for. As a matter of fact, even this increment cry background. Wuna was a ultimate Magana for
my explanation.
It is a say. Enti Abia communication industry no. Telcos no. Exactly. But wafa Ghana for nyina say bi mama kan say wafa I say samanfo bi man won fire ho. You make us what I say. Enti I don't much blame the telcos. I buy no policy what they aba and am ho che we nyina aba. Wow, ultimate it is a TikTok here and I'm for the for TikTok. And one amount for the money. Then you increase the data charges. then I say oh tobe 20 cities cry into me and no better 30 minutes.
Mr. Francis, me fee me am phone cry na me talk 399 na me nya 183 o mate so about 350 and o maji 91 gig free so to me talk 399 na this year na me turn so me turn 350.
28 November. Some started 28.
The prices of MTN product will be revised upward due to increased operational cost. No, which type of operational cost?
Oh, so
what do you have there? Data bundle.
Yeah, that's why we cried here. Who has some rescue so because I am a consumer of the services. So what I say?
Mr. First, na 399, na 183. See how to 350, how be 92, 91 gig free so 49 cedis per. I mean, come on.
Me use Abia line be that work.
Yeah, because they know they have the highest, the largest market share.
Exactly. Also Nigeria no, more population. And Nigeria for so omo kike okakra.
So omo
ma osisi. Maybe I'm just more can farmer nyamina. You see, yeah, these things have bound us together as a country. Seriously.
Farmer nyamino.
Yeah. Though say edi enya. But you see by nature no. Wow. By nature sa ne market and kiti we ni are bringing away edi nim. And ama no, we are born together say uhu Christiani, uhu Muslimi, uhu pagan. We are not traditionalists for we see ourselves as one another. Though edi enya. Unse Nigeria for so mukika no. Edi omunya in international fora.
That's right.
Me utu kwan na sa ushi obi na sa usu ye Ghana ni ya. Ahunho anipa no edi ma you don't experience it until you travel. Utu kwan na uhu. Ba uko bebi na sa uhu Nigeria. Ebe mo akunya na ye ma Nigeria ni akunya. Omuso mukika ka de wi omusi yom ni ma no. Enu su di omunya. So what I say? Fama nyamene ye jo ato bebrebe we nya no. Eno na etwe ye. But in a way, no, and also bundle or mine together.
So, what do you suggest? Should the communication ministry come in and answer Omonia Day?
Yeah, I think that they are the right people to come in and speak on behalf of the Ghanaian. Because I tell you, from the government to government, you want to
so they are private business.
Yeah, they are making money. Sarah Mafusa, Ejumano, and I'm South Africa president. Yeah, you know the genesis of all these things. Oh, no, open minister Mandela. So was now or Mandela Koda.
Yeah.
No, by Mandela Manu post. I'm the Badena Kenneth Kawunda, a president. I go and say, my godfather, brave appetite or any or near him, Sisulumu. I press a baba mu post your chair, mammy. Mandela Koy and Kenneth Kawunda, a catch and so I cried there 2 minutes. Or say, I say, there be yen to me, or moon to me in your post. Now, akwa we no minimum potential. And I say yeah party no ye pesca or na ye ko pesca bre. Enti me ba mo I'll let him be a businessman. He will do business with the government. I say how? So we give him the mining contract, the telecommunication, so you make profit and feed the ANC. And I'm another the richest man now. Fast forward, Mandela Wuko, and our president. Now he's one of the richest guys in South Africa. Na de bia Julius Malema consuls na de ade. Ntono he is there to make profit. It is incumbent upon ya buy no government to intervene. Could you imagine Haruna Idusu communication minister? So about this like our fire press releases among. I'm a Ghana for you na ache de ko. But slow so no any who a darling girl of Akufo-Addo on phobia. Now who ni poster. Now, Bagwin had to shut her down. Say, hi, telecommunication ministry. This is not Mr. Telecommunication.
Resume
your seat. Not any wood transfer. And so, no one follow. The Ghana for no more be can. I'm catching an ado. I'm for Ghana for two. I'm for a fool for far too long. And the beauty of all these things is, Papa, no friend who degradation, Oma century, Black O'Brien, Abagisano. Dr. Baumia.
On our message.
Nanka. Also, one about his own man in the nature.
The Veno Casa.
So, dear, what does all become what?
Baumia see you about you, send yourself on this. Now, Baumia, It's all the trouble just as well, Ghana. Would you
matching order says your video 2 million bedin you want to man of matching order and our man are calling about
all right, let's go. The issue of the OSP and vote buying.
Yeah, I think we are getting somewhere. Look, I disagree with you people say Kisia Jabin a toothless bulldog. He's sending a signal.
What kind of signal?
One said to such signals here ma we are there. You do it with impunity. They make us what you say. But one who now him say will be or show. Me mistake special prosecutor will come after me. Yeah, I think me ni say a win kwa any first example I said. Go to about Jaben. Well, say it's still in court. Say it's still in court.
Oh,
yeah, you see, you don't run it down. I did in Nigeria to say a special prosecutor's office should be established. Matiami Dubai went to me, also no problem. Now Kisia Jaben is in. Those say we soon. By you see, set 1992 constitution and a democracy shares you know. Say yes, MP before Cranko. Because they thought that it was not a perfect system. And I'm aware. But now they are enjoying the fruit of democracy here. NDC4. I am saying na ya wona ababedo samrewe. I believe say the beginning of the tenure of office now there. But maybe no. He will get his foot right. You don't dismiss it. There's no democracy that is perfect. And I'm aware.
For me, the mistakes are getting too many.
No, let him make those mistakes and it will serve as a learning curve. When the man from so or young from so na kwa kakra, we'll get there. He will know next time. No, he will know which one to send to court and which one not to send to. And I'm surprised. A very good lawyer. I'm surprised he's not getting his feet. But I don't think that as a nation we must dismiss it. So because one or two. Maybe uncle Demuntino. I was a good office. No. Yes, and I say a pentama at 2 years. And also more than a beba. It's a moment jano. Now, uncle. Now, no, who say a tall privatization. So the one in common. Say a war corruption related issues not there. And it's a privatization of money. Me, I know where that is coming from. So a private company no mo set up amode emerge take over turn. I buy mon crop and a yes idea. But you see untrue asem. That is one thing I like about him. He doesn't American, he doesn't give whatever. But in a way British for say he doesn't care whose art is God. You make us what you say. So we are when. The only issues we say me make you sure says you buy Mona said if you are into 3 year, he will go after it. Because the law does not permit any new government to cancel being a free. They are process what you say. To make sure says you are banner say he will be on our heels. And to let him be there. Let him learn from his mistakes. But it's sad to say none was why I am quanoma. Yeah.
Oh, yeah, do bet be an impress one.
Numerous one. Or too much. Na a one yum na ya bomamiti.
Anquanoma.
Anquanoma.
I have a bomb.
Na mobile.
Power.
Mobile.
When you no person the Maubiana, oh, special on the amount, Kisia Jabin, one as a why.
Me bomb a in Chile.
I was in Chenim Rasso.
Send him.
My email, but you say my gentleman too.
And you know how they were Bama.
And then none who cry mobile. What must say a Bamon penny for pa a hano.
Almost
sabotaging. And Charlie, don't take these things for granted. This is politics. Kisia Jabina workers and where people knew. Until we name commodity and a cost. I know quite well. Exactly. Now the judges are nipa. They are good judges, they are bad judges. They are good journalists, they are bad journalists. They are good doctors, they are bad doctors. They make us what you say. And don't take it for granted. Say Kisia Jabe will name the worker. commodity cost within the corridors of power. You think we just come out and come and be saying all those things? And then and Kwanoma and you win at the nice be so. Unim dear cost. Just a common one of kindness or there are some banners of me in this here. One share a party of gravity me a good. I'm telling you.
To feel say it is an intentional
frustration. But why do you think? But why do you think special prosecutor will come out and blame the very judges on no kwako jomani? The case
as a man.
Yeah, they make us what I say. And you don't look at it on the surface. People and people are having discussion about him. You should know, say, when you can poor crowd problem before Bejisa office we not there.
Yes.
What was his problem? And that's issues now there. And there is more to it. Don't underestimate him. Man, you say, your management mean and a casa. Let's watch him and see how it will go.
Finally, on a butterfly.
Butterfly.
Yeah.
I said, grown, I said, go away.
I got the end.
And maybe you're grown. Nothing Alan Bay. We are much show mom.
Alan.
Yeah, by estimation, almost pull over 300,000.
Not a refugee park is in your man. Or pull 600,000.
Why?
Everyone say.
Ewan
cries, the popular spot on here. Obra spot. Ubia Kutana card. 600,000 Ghanaians. You talk about me when you're 10,000.
Now listen. This is Ashanti region. Hana MPP to mean 1.7 million votes.
1.789.
Sure. It is a 1.7 now land. A train more 400,000, 300,000. You think it's not making an impact?
Does that mean so more Kwabontin or move to Amala?
It
doesn't mean that.
No, just listen. Will be our free fee in this trying economic times. My mwedi will be free job bank, will be free if no fro car na ala ho donti. Wa ba gina CPA so. Say or de Obani or yechra. Yeah. I don't think you wanna estimate this, underestimate it.
So Nipano, but was this an you know Alan?
Yeah. I asantia some make you. And you can wait me know what's and the wow problem.
I won't say Alan will hate MPP in Ashanti.
Baya. Now what way? Unin komo. So din komo.
Yeah.
Say out in somewhere na manfuaka. But we and the empeno, Alan the better woman. And I am telling you, say, there are young girls and young guys who are ready to die for Alan. Quote and unquote. Me use me word adversely. Yeah. Who are ready to die for him in Ashanti region. But who even thought say Alan be former party? And the many year I'm a nipa way up here.
Or say any party movement.
A movement, let me put it that way, movement. And the many year nipa beba. And Asante kwa then I make you. So say I can't. And the MPP heartbeat. And it's what you pull a crowd when I go to Abana say what you mean your vote. It should tell you something. You just talk to any of the political analysts. You say Alan only impactor. They before they can say and create impact. Say say election who lose was from 92 party being who lose election so it will take a few people or more risk analysis. Hey, Enra, me name people from page phobe. Edu come. Say Alan the idea of be your crew hadi. Idea wo ye there. You think it will not have an impact? It will have an impact. So no so unim the oye. Once na na ire na esesa. So all over with joy. You see from one. Was it 24-hour economy no? The Obeka say nya depa no. No anti politics ase. Anti amemuase. Ade adwuma bebre mabuno momoye no. Yeah. Policy money. Okwa adwuma na joa. We ne bone ewum.
Joa ho me mame. Na menko Kwabra senchiro. Kwabra.
Yeah, why?
Mame nti wa no pe.
Yo, mame fa kwanya so na menchia sorry for Church of Jesus Christ of Latter-day Saints. Minchia Omanhene. Minchia the New Patriotic Party. Na minchia race course for. And Ramuko Bipa Omanhene Yaw they all participate. Gift in Nidom. They all participated. Alan walk. And minchia wadino huko kwapia.
Yeah.
Now,
Kwenche bia menene betra ha one on one.
Oh yeah.
Wakache mo bebredi ba. Yes.
Wakache mo ba medinachi na
Nkomo wa hapa.
because as a region no yeda.
Madana yeah moda.
That is the weather.
The region is asleep.
And I will come.
And what when you there?
And I will come.
The MPP executives of the region, they are all asleep.
Na me baho.
Oh.
Na mamimra telecos no so. Oh my, say telecos boy dia. You don't need the telecommunication minister.
You telecos. Data service.
Oh, say they are providing us the with the.
Say telcos for no na for me. Telcos for no.
And you don't need the regional. I mean the minister. Say Omra.
Why ni here no?
Oh my, me tie wa no pa no. Nigerians no e kan bo mu a wo mo call embassies ni ho no. Embassies ni yen hihye no. Na minister bi anka ho, na government official bi anka ho na me kwa.
But you don't need individuals. It becomes a vigilante.
Like mama chere wa de. Individuals na omo occupy Jubilee House no. They can as well as mobilize themselves because you will move from the CSOs. They can take it up. On my winning radio for you, me person my education be brave. Then I love the program now with the buy. We telecos no nepe and I say telecommunications or MTN for no nepe no the buy you. To da. For how long? And I will tell data who say data nesa. For how long? And I will say data we am to e de asantem. Ghana for ye num ye de. Ye no ma bia ye access ni aye because of say quickly we have somebody to be blamed. Abai no Akufo-Addo ne na bai. John Mahama ba ye de be blame no John Mahama ne na bai. Wo say the auto data nasa. Share about 90% of Ghanaians. Oh my, you need any access be an asset method. It means the access your data. We are NASA. Share MTN. Almost fair the same MTN now. I change a cover 4 hands. Almost started with the idea. And then starter pack I said BB. With the name. And Arab for no beton ye.
Space phone.
Yes, on beton space phone.
Ariba.
And ye beton ma. They were all Arabs. And Ariba ba and Unyani Faso we are no ako.
They were Lebanese.
Lebanese.
But the Lebanese are part of the Arabs.
No problem.
They were Lebanese.
It doesn't matter.
Yes,
the moment
Arabs.
Ariba, space phone.
And I would no tunchia and the about MTN. And no Ramaphosa South Africa here. When you see we na asem ba ho also be santo. But when him and no be
see I want to mean town because a corporate entity I was shares. A lot of Ghanaians has bought shares into it.
And he can even say he need more shares.
When they did open shares for Ghanaians to purchase Ghana for toy, it was oversubscribed.
Yes, and
what has that got to do incrementing it?
Oh, meba. Omuntimi and to 2 data ne airtime no mu. Wabra sa nkrofo we no. Omu agree to.
Nkrofo be.
Omu own shares e wo mu no. Because they also need their money. Or shares no for a profit. So what you say? So they also need money. Na yen hwe. Say me Vodafone. Enti me no MTN no ay kuta me no me the Vodafone data no and e power MTN me 0244 enti de wo kan me hui and the massa ko register Airtel Tigo ɛna me ada Vodafone
so wa hotspot is I no mo friend
oh ɛnyɛ hotspot me hotspot but me the data no ɛna ama yi no me MTN no ɛna me san wɔ another 0555 sɛ wote aseɛ ɛna ma san de Airtel Tigo data no na me de ama MTN no so in the no share no me use MTN data but me use services no at the year
for calls and other
things and the momo can and a mammy be checking whom say any I was me checking me media no and to me koto SIM card be na me so SIM card for MTN na ma use data na the power na ma hwe se me to any nimienu a no yeah would my own how e me ma dey because unim hwe se amanone data no e use no eno na ma ye patronize the kind of services are
that telecommunication
hwe se wo frɛ abrochire bebrebe na busa nipa na T-Mobile nipa bebrebe mpe because some yesisifo use ukra mo charge you T-Mobile enti me wo wa me use T-Mobile na me san use chata ana chata for so omo san de sa no manoma na fe no multi data no so ana me call Orange sa na se mabakudo kudo de e pay as you go $45 a month and with data omo mama me 15 gigs and me data what you say services in you good a new company aba so so start so be
bia general coverage
ya kan yet Ghana ya kan
one ba hu ya we na we
example so amanane e do bia na ko amanane
services ni nyina nye ho na free ba I want you to tell Ghanaians say aha nye mawa kwa ha
na ye kwa no kwa so say also when you are used to a particular telecommunication like when you sue MTN a cha Ghanaians we are conservatives, we don't easily switch like
this
that.
This is the time that we have to change. Oman, it is time that we have to change and go for the cheaper one. It is I see the bia no adwene kwa na bedia
na sika ni wa
what you change
sisa
wanu
okay so just say I'm for starting Airtel to go and Vodafone now so office MTN price near too much
exactly Oman yaw over yaw who can sim be we see enu ne use no kesi enti ama me so me ba no madwene me say enti other telecommunications na mo Ghana no are they lazy to also advertise say they be a Ghana for so ebeto ana say what you say
that is the conservative nature of a Ghanaian.
Exactly.
Ubaya at Vodafone Airtel to go don't they advertise they are all over they don't reduce you we are told so matter or more data crash
any use we
say no credit
yes o matter so
but
and the data no so cry no
Ghana for the susu nim so matter so until at the point in time they are not advertising well
yes so what you say unim dem say mama ye me pe ade for but not too much
you know MPP
and you wouldn't
MPP for ade for
and me advert ma wo mo de but o man say tembia no me download Vodafone cash na me de Vodafone cash no ato data no o ma me 100% additional to the me matter
data now ato no
yes
2 or 20
me was so many message wa
o me sama 40
exactly e wa ha
now why are they not telling Ghanaians
that is the issue and I'm so winning bibi enye videos bia wo di be send bibia na me download
okay
ye video bia na me download
and also so your problem pa
na winning say no ma we nyina no your friend is same product winning the mami adano obi di ade bi brebe me download we no na advert bi wo eto a na ye pono am say and you mean download be no enti baby me call website me nya emfaso free so me bang ne ade
so
we have to be very careful
OSP
unim OSP Kisi Ajabe was a very nice guy but the dear Jumani man no waji no me yem chichi me man ɔman obiara wo integrity ehia but adwuma bi wɔ you can say no just to save your integrity. Meanwhile, the Jubilee House was fighting an ass. And at the same time, fighting you. As a Christian Jabin. You are the lawyer. To an ass. I'm a politician. But just to trap you. What you say? Because one lawyer, lawyer, ya. Butchana. Adom Bibia. There's another liar on in the court case. Or the in the press conference, on in the court on it. Where renowned one of the big lawyers. Or Katrino, what's he? Instead of blaming the judge, prepare a case in ye. Yes, and some of the cases in Americano, Manco School and Rubabiano. Meet me who say preparation is bad. I didn't know what mini Charles Bishop, a court. Now one call. Near find him. So prepare year. And no baby in himself. What you know? Politics a woman is about 80%. Because the same people who appointed you, they are the very same people because they want their way, but you also not get it. And to me, for the first time, the time I who say you be the office of prosecutor and I didn't like it. Now the we can say Sato handing over there. It was Attorney General who came to tell us, say, Sa company now, omo pese ye di contract in the ma wo no. Company no, omo capable. And sana kisi eja be so eba. Now meanwhile, no, the Attorney General no, and the representing the president and the MPP aban no. And you work under the Attorney General. So how can it be? How can it be? Say what you say.
Butterfly. Dr. Francis.
I don't know what to tell me time on the Susa.
But your time no maintain so. Me and Tiana make sure time I'm home. Yeah. Kasa wakano.
And someone was
on. What's my wakano? It did more a CPR.
And he said, yes, I quite some that
now so by Coquabi and Tram say, young call butterfly.
Why am I saying would have for near 30 go?
That is a shakibo.
Me, for instance, what you say? Me can say shakimi and I say shakimi. What you say?
We are indifferent.
Yes. Now my men can't say much. Say work. It me produce resource. And Canada, Japan, MBT, Alan. Ewo super delegates.
That was MPP.
Yes. I mean, what you?
Alan.
Yabre walk no mo ye na number. And I said yabre that was
the first walk.
First walk no.
Aye.
Say enipa ba chense.
Okay.
And am boy.
Okay. Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
I do yes walk.
Aye. First one no.
Yeah, enipa ba says and so you go super delegate. What happened?
Nah.
Canada Japan ABT ala. So what you say? Good. And the one kasa so o my reference bi pa ko sim you you work over here you to aba no o se wanya 10% kra me what
wanya 2%
wanya 2%. Yes. Nana Dodovi was overjoyed say MPP for mami chiro Alan would rather spoiled NDC campaign rather than MPP mami chiro what
really
mami chiro what we dem chiro better say me friend NDC for be and I was telling them Omanhene obia obeka se Akufo-Addo apa by there minto abama no abano minto no it goes in favor of NDC. What you say? Was a media about the minto kura it goes in favor of NDC. But se nipa ne ka se minto kura na se meto dia metuama afrafanto it goes against NDC.
How?
Why am I saying this? Because mumu percentage esubeti.
Oh, how?
Oh, David Demi can also what you say. Jemi kana o se what you say nkase o ha se obi ka se won to aba na e favor ndc ana o ma hene me boa ana so wa mu de me chew na so okọ na so onu no a wo so won to no okay we decide say beto na me ko to ma afrafanto a point against you know it goes against mumu percentage am benya no achante rate
how will you go against it
how would you go against it
how
so what plan it udie tie so wo mo so mo ntu nyina em fa afrafrafo we num nyina so beto ma afrafanto a what you say enye wo die so na betie afrafanto nya 10%
afrafanto for no mo MPP for
that is it
afrafanto for no mo NDC for mo MPP for
it's all
and I indifferent say both MPP and NDC and the so it will affect both MPP and NDC.
Exactly.
But it will affect the MPP more. It will affect NDC to some extent because
it won't.
Timmy, it will because one neighbor the on to aba our MPP and NDC and the Hamono. Obeto Amafranto.
Yes.
The MPP ni anabemo buebia Alantino Obeto Amade Amafranto. On the metro.
Yes.
The Nanka Abia or see about 2 weeks. Abianca onto my MPP over Tuama NDC because your mama or Hono. Now he sees Alan say, or a game changer over Tuama. So, in effect, no, the Omania impact in the feeling MPP. Then, NDC cannot say almost so affect
him. No. Oh, meba.
Serious cherry picking. Just as I was political analysis. Political analysis now.
Omanhene na winning bibi. Me on my own for the past 1 month. My year campaign to identify all the identifying bodies in India. Now wherever you go, they tell you say. To me any nakwala special assistant Andy no etino men tuapa
to me ni Andy there then our muntu aba
exactly so I just ask them edientia I uchiriwa ufre obi amfa na say but you have your constituency chairman you belong to a constituency why don't you go there and talk to them well any probably said that tea and normal biasi. And I'm urging the regional executives.
Who called one hour who send a vote to who catch us on TV biasi or what are you talking?
Debbie. Oh, Mamin Casamasa.
Me too.
Me say, Mikoshia Kaya Yufo. Was say, when our friend say, would you mean a friend? Kayanko, Namsi to my old day. I acquire Quatlawa, you know. I'm saying, you are going beyond your boundaries. Say what you say. Say me on our friend, me na mabai. But catch baby, I want you belongs to a constituency. Talk to your constituency executive. Say no some fan call. No, Utie, me party as a menya wodia. Come on,
so in the end, no, we said the executives no matter.
They have to start working. Yeah. Sure. Because your boys the defunct data any other groups you know. Omo catch them plain. Omo say so didn't win a fray any bepo because for the past 1 year ni didn't win didn't kwapia nani atena sa ye 100 and what hwe sa besine I was surprised and yesterday I have to go and meet didn't kwapia say adwuma wa ye no obi ehunu ya me ba abedanas na ye me boba omia so ne hu nipadia ne ba omia na amane what is going on so what you say
okay
na
onyankora obedada omo
enti masem ni o will the butterfly hit you asma mbusa o no
it doesn't hate me but let me tell you
I hate him and come on
no according to the wokafa pa kwesi ni ominti no we have to do extra work that is why I brought I made it
mobile juma ama Alan timinya impact
we have to
okay and you are home na me ni jaka camera sisia na afemi mamo and wrap it up na me ne Grace Grateful Canada Digital Satellite Air War TVs sonko a enya de ketwa from 17 inches to 65 and then ahodo ni nyina from 17 to 65 satellite smart TV ni curve na your tabletop your fridges ahodo chest freezer deep freezers your air conditioners powerful home theaters fufu pounding machines sewing machines industrial washing machines no ne ade popcorn machines or laptops any microwave oven ni kettles ne eba home appliance there Kennedy digital satellite we a government worker na say o per se yetimi ema utobi na yetetewa and no one say o dey slip about from control accountant general wager old barrier kokoro bi te traffic light no ano obehu yan Kumasi Family Plaza first floor boss from a chain so ena Adom house Patasi eye depot chain 0244385128 0244385128 3A Herbal Center kan ho koje de the 3A co capsules cocoa massa ebe pamu cocoa west space spiles cocoa ni nyina asiase na so constipation every ho 3A co capsules ana eba wo yam ntim ensa so nka baba bomodena 0546107107 0546107107 Dimpa Natural Health Clinic I would wani actually second floor wala stars the champ so can mention health insurance dynamo we yam eya wo ya wani su brew wo hon ma wo koko etim say wo to bo ano etwetwe wo bi na mo minimu sa wani ase wo da wo na wo didi anyam ni nyina ye osa hodo a edi wunya for ni kire Dimpa Natural Health Clinic ya de abibi drop papa both foreign and local and ya de be ka wo ya be detox ya yi fia firi hu wo da wo be da 0246 744 744 0246 744 744 and 0245 1184 34 afei 4-bedroom house obi eton ifie a 4-bedroom house na a new building plus visitors toilet our garage our space a obetimi de si dan ba kokora ka ho our Bokrom estate na napia obi ton ifie tie me a 4-bedroom na a dining bia no a master bedroom our toilet and bath na building na sakasa na esa our visitors toilet tobacco our garage our baby kesia a down ma betima si dan kraka ho eno ntifre number we 0261 177979 0261 177 979 0261 and to nyapong hawo nkosifie obetima todan 0261 177 979 Boris B chicken yay akukọ nam na anu nsu edese unya BBC chicken oh poku trading ye tombi o LG Mall Topa ye tombi o Shell Boadi Junction Santasro Anaba ye unity o edu hwene Masawase Market Bantama High Street Presbyterian mincemeat ye nkrama de no benya bi layers gizzard breast and fillet wing style full chicken got top BBC chicken out to me say what chicken ankasa friend 05444453 05444453 no Dr. Mensa stroke diabetes hepatitis awo ho sem be ma wa yekojo entesewa ensangu ene yade mu na hodo a odia ne say Dr. Mensa say wo ba no say akoba say alcoholism eniema ne enkoyie wonom nsa saa ma esi a wo tra ya mema na duro na de kanu anu anu oye obi onunum nu bone doctor ye duro so doctor so introduce the friend of sasadro ye jare wo wi a sasa bi edi wachi bia be free ho laboratory scan physiotherapy ni home care nyina ye wo kochi depot Guinness depot eni din hwani mu frayen 0271 173551 0271173551 and 0245 958 768 0245 958 768 miso any 5G so when you drink ibia e mo pikama ya wa mixed fruit ya wa mango manager Daniel 21st clinic wo tombi e overseas because supermarket anyuma the post office ye tombi ho mama Esther Outcome Royal Ventures Ultra Baptist University abenyaye miso drink energy any 5G obi agi atom obi enumbi PNC Ventures anyuma the taxi station any quality charity Hospital Junction, Nasachi Enterprise, Binchi VIP Car Park, Asafo, Sasuna Kokrochi Company, Okofodia Eastern Region, and KF Kunju, and Rome Hotel in Dinshanimu. Number 0246 270-221 0246-270-221. Tony Sack Electronics, Womona, Esoya Slimia, the birthdays, Ebrewo, so Bomodin Copiemo, Tony Saka. While be the dance, yes, Niema Pana, when you know your TVs, fridges, freezers, air conditioners, washing machines, gas cookers, microwave oven, rice cookers, blenders, kettles, home theaters. Tony Sack, Christmas, Bronya, promo no, Yashasye, Bronya, dear promo no. 10 to 50% discount. Oto niema no ani ati say who near the mouth. Obi aje atum se Tony Sack niema no bon there. Ya tete so pa. Na obe hu ya ewo Sunyane Property Electronics. Ai udu Sunyane Cocoa Board roundabout any OA terminal no di nhwanimu. Kumase new Melcom. Kumasi Dankesi Edano, Obehu Yaw, Sasna Wesley Method, Susania Triangle, SD Karam Quantum Pomo, Yeni Aye, Bomade, Nafreye, 0500309309. Legacy Night, and Niamachi the Debo of Power Him Micklin Hotel, 29 December. Artist no, Ebinsu Yanak Champon, Sansoso, and a family, and the Amradu. To take it. *714*80# *714*80#. And no one on a BBR Daddy over front desk Sompa as well. Standard here 200 and a VIP a day 300. Na BBR Akosu kama at the amount. What you are bank? I bank one was source from Kokra. Unya bank nasa unene bank dia. Na your savior and rab bank no new tiasikai. Current account, savings account, or Jifosusu, fixed deposit, salary loans, Christmas bonanza loans, salary advance, utiasikai fast track loans, fundra a year, yebe boa ma otima ye commercial loans, money transfer yinano, utiasikai ye. Yo kofiasi headquarters. Your number is 0504 842 957. 0504-842-957. Friend, to check about Francis. Mammy, 2 minutes. Now wrap it up, Mammy. Na me and trust Sophia. Francis.
Yeah.
What to say? I'll see you hamo. I'm on the hamo. Mammy, 2 minutes. 2 minutes. Quick do that.
I think that 2 minutes no issue for this analysis because they all can answer their own politics. No, I'm surprised that I'm a regional vice chairman for so many years. And all kind of First of all, yeah. Ashanti region, the here about 30%. And I'm we just need about 20. The last result in 27%. And
you had 28.
Well, I'm from 27. That's okay. So we are just about 3 percentage points away from 30. And I'm
it's not easy to get it.
It's not easy, yes. It's a very huge tax. The heck can I say, Omanhene Yaw they are not coming from the NDC stock. So you should be getting worried. It will be out politicians here. Know the dynamics of this regime. You should know that Allah is pulling significant votes from the MPP and not that of the NDC. He's not going to our Zongo votes and our rural settlement votes. These votes are not ours. And some votes when Yanankaya Mudia, your 1.7 million votes now, Momu Nyayen.
300 free to
300,000 free swag. So, I mean, what kind of
70%?
What kind of analysis is this?
65, 68.
And I'm surprised I was also who for to say
what I'm saying is votes are these votes. So stagnant. And what the blogger to
just listen. Some votes we know. It's not coming from our rural votes. It's not coming from our Zongo votes. It is coming from your strong MPP votes.
How would you know that there are people within almost so
people within one
3% now come they babe some so amanya 30% from the memala.
Why more?
20 yes.
No, but what you should know is that all these votes are coming from the
majority of them from
NDC there. For what? What will be the purpose? No. Yeah. What will be the purpose? Say NDC be what will be the purpose? There's no purpose.
Okay.
That's what I said. And you are like, yeah, these people, what can I get to say? Ukoeno, yes, it want to be almost want to be from Momba. But what you should know is essentially, you are not the head of the party. Want to be a head of the party. And it's on no francophone or one ma. It's an admission that you are failing at a point. Gary Maku was saying that, look, we even go into the election with challenges. And what are these challenges? The challenges are that Alan Ephraim, Boabia Samuel Ephraim, Boniface, Alameboa. So what are you talking? And these are people from your own stock. And they wouldn't know who now is that is your own cup of tea. Nobody cares about their work. You understand what I say? In common, we see a Delta Force for one force of one say a winner from one Komumba. It should send a signal to you as a former vice chairman. Say all is not well. Exactly. Now you are here telling that say, and now obey to me, Amakoka. Delegates do pena command to Abamano. Exactly. So stop doing these things. Massa, in page 4 that you also grab Bruce stayers now.
Mami too.
On Tiasi, on Tipuna, on Tiasi. Where?
Ya wouldn't be.
Sure.
When the people are saying, say when the Fremia and Kamima, but we are friend Kwandi, Yabeba, it means to say we have been able to identify our challenges.
Till you get it solved.
We will get it solved earlier than 7 December. Me, Adea me pepper say unveiling problems are a bit in our solve.
Problem are compiled over 8 years. Do you think you can solve it within a year? What are you talking? What is he saying?
A lot of Sanko for your Mokodia Afrafan talking, they have no issue with Dr. Mahmoud Baumia, but they have an issue with Nanado Dankwa Kufuado. The one he listen to me very carefully.
I'm listening to you. Can convince them and bring them back.
And bring them back. Baumia can do that.
He can do what?
Baumia can do.
As if he was not part of the government.
If he can do that, he has to be his own man. On there, he changed the baton.
For this discussion.
4th November, he did say something. Analyzing here. Was he? I am my own man.
My promises.
I have my own vision. I have my own ideas. You can make a promise on behalf of
now. What about head of a current management team?
You might not have
the authority to do it.
Exactly.
Thank you very much. Mame Enfamu Sianomo. Na Dame Adoma.
You are not your own man. What are you thinking?
Doctor. Let me quickly do the birthdays here. Sponsored by Property Electronics. Abigail Nana Masewa Osei of Komfanoche Hospital, Dental Department from Fireman Barnier Neyawa Woda. Blessed birthday to Mr. Kwame Nkrumah of Israba Fashion. Nana Yabuama. My daughter Nora Immaculate Akosia Jekum of Edum Presby, from your mother Akye Abia Siama of Kesben FM. Patient Treme of Aguna Kachre OB sends this. Christiana Nimako of Aguna from Kachre OB. Sandra Boedi of United Kingdom from Kachre OB. And then Comfort Ousu from Kinke. Blissful birthday to Sandra Beniwa of Abisim Sunyane. John James and Peter. John James and Peter from Bernice. And Cecilia Joe of Church of Pentecost. Church of Christ. Anomanye. Okay. From your sister Sarah. A special birthday to Esther Pokia, a fashion designer, Brema UGC. PK of Sompa. Okay. All right. Our Grace. Now, if I know when you shall, may Frewa.
Maintain, I want to manana many that's
I didn't to my.
And they almost different to manage Omanhene. Said I'll do my hand. We ding on my hand. 1% friend to man.
I didn't.
Mr. Adea, our bedroom against. Was say, no one friend to man was to now one friend to I would have made friend. Yep, you come on, you go so I'm a flower. What if I say, ya present to my hand. Yeah, from her.
Exclusive Obama. Okay. Ya chairman to my. That's it. Oba pa. You need komo. How they do it here? Say a case addiction. And I also perceive a team komo for addiction.
Yes, you ever say didn't come for addiction.
Addiction in there.
Oh wow, well be a very interesting question. Na need kind of match some petty for Nada. A baby, a mechano, 242 baby to sum you know, mechana Santa Hema, and the mecha chief imam. Mecha chief imam, in fact, why I did many pa, and I'm a chakeche. Musician, also so in fact was supporting Grace Gift Brandon, and I'm a chatter such a Michelle will be a Michelle Wate. Say Grace Gift, some mamma studio cried. I was a man for besides I dated a doctor. Wow, because he young. And I was for some buyers, no mind one can be some question. There are some people about Betras or Casa Brad those kinds of no, yes, she had you need to learn. Because a woman a day, I do so. See a cast addiction any day. Addiction ne say obi e de no ho akoto ade bi mu a saa de kodie no ontimi ntwe no honye dey emfiri asechra no na ya na bebre nim say so obi bo drugs se bi so obi no wi ana cocaine ana heroin ana niema bi a na yeka se oye addiction and then person tie for hwa ade kakra obi addicted to cell phone na easy.
Okay.
Obiti addicted to cell phone and easy. Obiti addicted to television. Or TV who are the password. Obiti addicted to sex. So when you were bear 5 no man died there. Bear 5. No a day. Very good. Yeah, what idea a whole ya dream your friend said dopamine. Dopamine. Na sa dopamine no and the control ni by system said Dr. Grace Bra some papa kasa and the control because I natural Dr. Grace Dr. Grace sorry yanko point natural at the moment I may addicted to my cell phone no sa natural dopamine na weki biem afi cell phone no artificial dopamine na weki
okay
because my addicted. And you know, se nipa na enya phone na watch the phone 2 days are on intras. Yes, because we're addicted. It's here na man focus obi timika say no we dro oba no jota afane bra oba ton sem afane bra. So first of all we hu dopamine no se na site. Na we hu se nipa no dopamine na wo se wutima na dro a ebe ma dopamine na etima ba na natural way a wutimi nya hwema ni. Unless say what see say nipa no ordinate na say at least what's made detaining in hospital per 1 month and now 2 weeks na ne phone no waji wo kwan be fa so a wo be ye no be krokro no ama nipa na hu say afei die phone no se phone ni nchen kra na oyo okay so obinum wi a eno so dopamine no sanity e wa pia we naturally. It is when artificial one to so when we are ontimi. So when cocaine ontimi trance. So when oba ontimi trance. And no and a grace gift. Oba ye chira wase ma wote ase ma hu say ye ma wodro se jifa kofi da bi. It's not easy to stop. But I was see etimi detain you kakra. Na yankasa ye show ma hu say afedie wo natural dopamine na yankopon e body to brain mu no e ye juma ansana ya discharge amwako nsisi ya word kama je won necessary mo ye juma 24/7 edno ehun adwuma no mo ye addiction omo ma ya addicted to the baby ya addiction e wo bibi hu so wa ya addicted e wo cocaine wi wo ba ne no nsa wo nyime bia enye mesro mempa aba emu abamumu udu aba Grace Gifts cry wosi mommy me de natural me natural da mon hye na ma me na me amitimu se me ba na no so na oti jonki no afi me hu se wa shata de cause enye no fault at the moment I dopamine be wipe away no ondi ne hu bio ondi ne hu bio etru bo hu se onum koke na wa wo no dopamine natural no wonti ase because obadwi se adentina wuntimi njai wi keke no wuntimi njai
wi na keke
aha sa na wa wo de natural no sa na abeka no
okay
obi pema na so obi hu so pema o si research akwa we wo pema ofa won de ma de bi o de ma be fie enye wo no the dopamine
the dopamine sa no mo betimi
the best psyche in the mind also at the moment abeba na ye do better word be 1 month na e ma wunya bi na ye kire enye oba fie no na why okay ja
all right na yen share
number of number not to jan
of number no to jan na yen share ade baako ya na bi mo doubt say we call grace gift na say stroke ese haban bi ho betim de nipa na gina so ama ana watena so ama haban na shiki
no sa you know ene biem so no stroke na nipa ne ya na ye wokwan a nipa no e be sorry instant and the make sure for question
all right for number to find out
of grace gift no man say no to dwa na e ma pedro yi die me brante be me na ba ya anka me ho to me yes and say ya na bi no say adwaman awade enye adwaman yaduro so ba grace gift ni nyina e betie afro
okay
dokota ho fefo yi onu ankasa ne noma no fama mo na mo wi a mo ha no cello 54 tele
0543
tele 2
32
cello
00
tele cello
30
cello 54 tele
0543
tele 2
32
cello
00
tele cello
30
Anna cello 246
0246
518 cello tele
003
cello 246
0246 518
cello tele
003
that's what I mean.
me da si bebre wo busa question
pa so bi enne ya bia
ena wo ne obi ofie na stroke enya no wa to so sensene me pa cha wo be pe warm water nsuo de wo pije nipa na de nan esim on se ka se stroke a ya adwene mu yare it's at the moment obi ho no mana na de blood na block na just ewu hia so no hospital instant it's a blood na blocking kwadia what the nice in so de
warm water
now with the cold towel what in so nunu atuna pampem enti enso hye na wo de ne na esimu no e be fa venim se kwose enti nyina awie na mbe wie ensem na ye ko brain eti ntiri ne be fa mu sa fa spinal cord ni ma edu wa pampem ho no ma na hit naka it hits me because of cold water to once and nipa no ube yi no asori
na ne mo ja ne nyina ma na de afrisane
ena se enipa no ede no brain no na apai ena ama wadodwo preocupa de ma grace gift tim de adenkruma what is castor plant ye de twin ma ne sori no aban ne kuta phyto substances the phyto substances no e wade denkruma mu eti anu ne yisu eti menpa ne sori na sese ne ya ne ye kira ahaban ne ye nkire nsi kire se ebinim nsue ne ye obon se oka adenkruma na no so kofa bi dikoye se ye twie se ye wo se ye de ahaban na ye onim
akwa yusu asako hard
very good eti mabi ma prato so ye herbal practitioner na se ye kire bibi sei na pese wo sua ye bi ya prato ade e fe ne se herbal fo be say are ni ya bo ya beso dan se herbal practitioner be kum nipa ni aka se herbal fo ahwe ya akọ no ma obewu ade ye me shakese ne se misre etiefo se mo sharia instant na mo fa ma herbal mesamo bebre because say wo no adoson mama yenjidi nyankopon de ma ye no endi esanse emoampo etie de onyankopon kire wo enye easy sa abo na ntwie wo de nam beto wo na ntwie be ka se okore enam because nyankopon akene se onwia haban twitwa banchi gu ha oberre enne nyankopon direct ne se wonye dai onwe na dating nipa yakopon se ye aduaba ne fa han ne sare na aduaba ne ye die na han ne de ka ho asem nipa ntiase abra wonim se plant medicine chemical products no ye herbal na eye without herbal no untimi nye chemical products
okay
esi mesre bebre se yare na wo so binya stroke wi ai se stroke de onyenye wi age so de ko herbal na dating na yare ne sha ase na unya hypertension no one fan ba herbal clinic hono am yan so ano na wotena se ama stroke abaso nshranka nyame se onipa ne ba na wonya ayaresa etinchi aton de eguso a ye to so be ma no so a mi yitu mi nsem keke mi yitu mi nsem keke na se o na pija eno an
all right
papa number no to the last time Omanhene ntoma no wa mfra
ntoma no de mefra na
munyi ntoma no fa hu ne ko na Mr. Adea o Belgium gent no hu se
Mr. Adea ntoma no bo numbers
we kra no ubetimi de afra ko di beti conference
of our numbers
no ya kira kwan wo ohwim ifiri hai ye ko ohwim suku kwantana no so ye asuofia kwan no so ohwim suku Johnson ho na headquarters no anankran ye wonu atwemota petroleum
that's right
ye ne family laugh kwada suku no a omo we brofo se nko no ye no omo na ye copotis enti obia amra ho na
bo numbers no yemre no
Cello 54 tele
0543
tele 2
32
cello
00
tele
30
cello 54 tele
0543
tele 2
32
cello
00
tele cello
30
Anna cello 244
0244
126
126
12 tele
123
cello 244
0244
126
126
12 tele
123
that's what I mean.
I was for yeah the musi ha
next week you better na yesua de